Welcome to the course for everything related to selling ebooks. I'm Jason Matthews. I'm an author, a blogger, and a publishing coach. And I assume that you're here because you want to sell ebooks or you want to sell more ebooks, and that's great. There are so many retailers where you can sell from, like Amazon, Apple iBooks, Barnes & Noble, and maybe even places that you haven't thought of, like Kobo, Google, Smashwords, Draft to Digital, and more. You might even want to sell directly from your own website with PayPal buttons in a system that works on autopilot. This course teaches how to format common documents like Microsoft Word, and upload your documents to Amazon and get a feel for how things are going to look before you publish. We'll also use programs like Calibre, where you can upload many different file formats and convert your ebooks into other kind of formats like EPUB, which is really useful for many different retailers. We'll also go over all kinds of ways to make book covers, whether you hire out or whether you make one yourself. We'll even discuss creating websites and blogs and how they can help you sell more books. And of course, we'll discuss social media because that is essential for connecting with readers all over the world. I've got a lot of information to share with you. I've written and marketed fiction, nonfiction, how-to guides, and short stories, and I've learned how to do everything that's involved in this business, and I'm going to share it with you in this course. And you'll also get a copy of my guide, How to Make, Market, and Sell Ebooks, all for free. It's helped thousands of authors, and it will help you too. I've got a lot of information to share with you. Let's get started.